The journey to IUT begins with a strong foundation. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of the basics in mathematics, physics, and chemistry. For students in 9th or 10th grade, now is the perfect time to start building this knowledge base. It's akin to laying the bricks for a house. Without a firm foundation, the structure won't withstand the pressure. Next, it's all about practice, and more practice. Start by solving simple problems, gradually moving on to more complex ones. The key is to understand the concept behind each problem, rather than just memorizing the solution. Remember, regular practice is the only way to improve speed and accuracy, both of which are vital for the competitive Joint Entrance Examination, or GE. Now let's talk about the importance of time management. With the vast syllabus to cover, it's essential to plan your study schedule meticulously. Allocate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring a balanced approach. Studying from the right resources plays a significant role in your preparation. The NCERT textbooks are your holy grail for theoretical understanding. For practice, consider reference books like H.C. Verma for physics, O.P. Tandon for chemistry, and R.D. Sharma for mathematics. Enrolling in a coaching institute can be beneficial, as it provides a structured learning environment. However, self-study is equally important. It allows you to work on your weaknesses at your own pace. Frequent revision is another key aspect of your preparation. It helps consolidate your understanding and remember concepts for a longer duration. Finally, remember that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. It's important to take regular breaks, engage in physical activity, and pursue hobbies to keep your mind fresh and active. To summarize, the journey to IET requires a strong foundation, regular practice, effective time management, studying from the right resources, a balance of coaching and self-study, frequent revision, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's a challenging journey, but with determination, hard work, and the right strategy, it's definitely achievable. And there you have it, a roadmap to one of the most prestigious engineering institutes in the world. It's not an easy path, but remember, the view from the top is always worth the climb. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward on your journey to success.